Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Acura MDX oil light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the selector knob on your dashboard to navigate through the display menus. You will need to find either the maintenance or vehicle information screen to proceed with the reset process. This initial step is crucial for accessing the correct settings. Once you are in the Maintenance or Vehicle Information menu, use the selector knob to highlight and select the Oil Life option. This action will bring up a new screen displaying your current engine oil life as a percentage. For example, it might show 10% or 20% remaining. This is the screen where the reset procedure will take place. Now, to initiate the reset, press and hold the selector knob for approximately 10 seconds. You will notice the oil life percentage display begin to blink, confirming that the system is ready for a reset. After it blinks, release the knob briefly, then press and hold it again for about 5 seconds until the reset is complete. After successfully holding the knob, the oil life display should reset to 100%. This indicates that the maintenance minder has been successfully cleared. To finalize and confirm the reset, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off, then start the engine. The oil light on your dashboard should now be off, signifying a successful reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.